How to set up a Venmo account on your iPhone. Go to the App Store, search for Venmo, and tap Get to install the app. Open the app, then tap Create Account. Enter your phone number, then tap Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code, enter it, and confirm. Choose how you want to sign up. Enter your details like name, email, and password. Don't forget to confirm that you're 18 or older, then tap Next. Read Venmo's user agreement, privacy policy, and how the app works. Scroll down, and tap Agree. Venmo will give you the option to sync your phone or Facebook contacts. You can skip this step if you prefer. Set your privacy settings to decide who can see your transactions. Choose between private, friends only, or public, then tap Done. Decide whether to allow notifications by tapping Allow Notifications or Not Now. Welcome to Venmo. Your account is now set up and ready to use on your iPhone.